Look at the next part, part 3 of aldehyde and ketone. Part 3, aldehyde and ketone. So next question is eighth one, asked in 2017. Consider the reaction. X compound is given whose molecular formula is given like C2H6O. This is the condensed form in which copper is present at a temperature of 573 Kelvin and it is forming A. And when A react with AgNH3 two times plus, it produces silver mirror observed. It produces silver mirror observed. And when A reduce OH minus in presence of heat, it produces Y. And when A react with NH2, NHC double bond O, NH2, it produces Z. So you have to identify A, B, A, X, Y, right? Asked in 2017. So see here. So how will you identify this A? Give silver mirror test, right? This when silver ammonium is present, that is called silver mirror observed. So A must be aldehyde, right? It must be aldehyde. So A will be aldehyde. In this way, you have to identify. So this is your silver mirror test. This is called silver mirror test. So A must be aldehyde because only aldehyde gives silver mirror test, not ketone alcohol like that. So X must be an alcohol. Why? Because it does the reduction. So when in presence of copper, it is doing reduction. So it must be alcohol. So alcohol general formula is ROH. So this is the general formula for alcohol. General formula of alcohol. Right. So it is reduced to the aldehyde. And A on treatment with base followed by alcohol condensation. This indicates A must be aldehyde, not a ketone. Okay. And Z should be semi-carbazole, right? So I will write the general formula for this one, this, when it is producing Z. So Z is called semi-carbazole, semi-carbazole. So how it happens? So general formula for aldehyde is RC double bond OH. This is the general formula aldehyde. So this is your A. This whole part is A. And when it react with this, so this can be written as in the form of like this is your, this can be written as H2N NH C double bond O NH2. So this O H2 and O come together and this N will form double bond with this. So it will be RC double bond N NH C double bond O NH2. Understood? And one hydrogen is there. So this part is called semi-carbazole, this. And removal of water is done here. Right? So right up to this point, then you'll write the main compounds instead of R. What will be the R? So molecular formula of alcohol is given like C2H6O, right? So I will convert it into alcohol like, so it will be 2 carbon and alcohol functional group is OH, right? So this is O and this is H and complete the octet of carbon, right? So you can see here now. So this is also H. This part is H. So you can count the number of hydrogen now. 6 hydrogen. So 3 is here and 2 is here. 5 and here 6. So this is reduced by copper in presence of 573 Kelvin, converted into aldehyde. So when reduction to removal of hydrogen done, reduction means, right? So it will be converted into CH3, C double bond OH. So this is the formation of aldehyde. 2 hydrogen is reduced. You can write here H2, right? Now this is your aldehyde we have obtained. Now it is doing now silver mirror test in presence of Ag NH3 2 plus. So what will happen? This aldehyde functional group is converted into carboxylic acid, this part. So it will be converted into like CH3C double bond OH. One oxygen is here inserted, right, between CH. So this is the formation of alcohol. ये carboxylic acid. So name of this compound will be ethanoic acid. Two carbon is there, so it is ethanoic acid. And name of this aldehyde is meth. So it will be ethanol. And name of this alcohol is 1,2. Two alcohol is there, so it will be ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol, right? Now, so this is reacting with NH2, NH2, NH, C double bond O, NH2. So this H2 and this O will be reduced. So it will become now CH3, C double bond N, NH, C double bond O, NH2. Right. So this is called semi-carbazone. Right. Removal of water is done here. Understood? Right up to this point, then one aldol condensation is done now. Then I will explain it. Now we have to do now aldol condensation. Aldol condensation. So who does aldol condensation? Aldehyde. So I will take aldehyde. After the reduction, it is CH3, C double bond OH, right? So I will write 2 moles of aldehyde. So this is called self-aldol condensation. So I will write one as CH2H, C double bond OH. So here two functional group, this is one and this is your second part. So this will be H plus and this carbon will be minus. And this is minus, this is your plus. So plus will attract with here and H will go with OH minus. So what will be the product? It will be CH3, COH, H. Here this is plus and this carbon will come here. CH2 minus. So it will be C double bond OH. So arrange this compound. So it will look like this. CH3, COH. I will take H here on down and this whole group on the horizontal part. So it will be H, this will be CH2, C double bond OH, right? So now I will add H plus in acidic medium, right? So removal of water will be done here. So this OH minus and this will be plus and this hydrogen is removed. I will write one hydrogen in the upper part. So it will be plus and this will be minus. So removal of this water is happening. So what is the formation now? CH3, C double bond CH, C double bond OH. And this is 1H. Understood? So this is the final product of aldol condensation. Write it down. Now look at the ninth question. The character structure of the product A formed in the reaction. So reactant is given here 1H. This is double bond. In presence of hydrogen, atmospheric 1 atm. Palladium, carbon, and ethanol is also as a reagent. So what will be the product A? So see here, this will act as a reducing agent. So and hydrogen is there. So addition of hydrogen will be done here. So addition of hydrogen. Understood? So this is your double bond is alkene. So when alkene react with hydrogen, it do the addition reaction. Addition of hydrogen. So what will happen now? One H here added and one H here added, right? So this is your this is hexenol, right? So this is converted into cycloalkane. Yeah, hexane. I will write a hexane. 6 carbon are there now. Hexane alcohol. So double bond is converted into single bond. Asked in 2016. Now look at the next 10th one. Which of the following reagent would distinguish? So you have to distinguish between cis cyclopenta penta 1,2 diol from trans isomer. So you have to distinguish. So reagent is given magnesium oxide, aluminum isopropoxide, acetone, ozone. Asked in 2016. So look at the first made the structure of this one. So pentane. So 5 carbon will be there and cyclo means closed compound. So this is the cyclopentane and 2 diol. Di means 2, ol means alcohol. Here one OH and here OH. Understood? React with trans isomer. It is reacting with whom? 1,2 diol from trans isomer. So it is reacting with acetone. So acetone can be written as C double bond O CH3 and this is CH3. This is ketone. Ketone general formula is R C double bond O R. So this is your R, this is also R. Understood? So what will happen? So here removal of water will be happening. So H2 and O will be removed, right? So formation of compound will be like this. This is cyclopentane. So 5 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Here O, here O. Attach with this carbon. Right. So carbon double bond is making. So one with the this first oxygen and another bond will be this second oxygen. Right. This is CH3. This is CH3. So this is trans isomer doesn't react with acetone as removal of water. It's difficult. So write the statement. Trans isomer does not react with acetone as of water. Molecule is difficult. So answer is C, acetone. So this is happening with the acetone. So cyclopentane 1,2-diol react with acetone. So you have to choose the reagent. So acetone will be the answer. And other option is magnesium oxide. So it will be not happening. Aluminum isopropoxide. Next one is ozone. Right. So it react with acetone only. Asked in 2016. Now look at the next question, 11th number. Neet 2016. Correct the statement regarding a carbonyl compound. Carbonyl general formula is R C double bond O. So when this functional group is there, so this is called carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compound. So it can be like R C double bond O H. So this can be aldehyde, or it can be R C double bond O R ketone. It can be R C double bond OCl, acyl chloride, right? So these are the many points. So asked in 2016. So carbonyl compound with hydrogen atom on alpha equilibrium with its nodes carbonyl. So what does mainly do carbonyl compound? I will explain here. It does mainly ketoenol form. Ketoenol form, or it is called ketoenol tautomerism. So how it will look like? Here one hydrogen will be there, that is called alpha hydrogen, and this is your functional group of carbonyl. So what will happen? In previous class I have told you, right? So this double bond is shifted here to the carbon, and this hydrogen is shifted to this H. So this is your keto form, right? When it is converted into enol form, so it will be C double bond C OH, and here another bond will be there, right? So this is your enol form. So when keto and enol is converted to each other, this is called tautomerism. Tautomerism. So carbonyl compound easily do tautomerism. So write it down. Asked in 2016. So देखो 12th में. Now look at the 12th question. A single compound of the structure is given. So I will write the structure here. OH, C, CH2, CH. Here CH3 is there. CH2, CH, double bond O, CH3. So you can observe here. One is this compound, ketonic group is there, right? And one is here OH. CH, मतलब aldehyde group is there, right? Aldehyde general formula is RCHO, or it can be written as RC double bond OH. And ketone we know RC double bond OR. Understood? So the two functional group is there. One is ketonic group and one is aldehyde group. Asked in 2015. So asked is obtained from ozonolysis. So This is obtained by ozonolysis. Ozonolysis means react with ozone. Ozone general formula is O3. Right. So you have to tell me the cyclic compound. So cyclic compound. So for doing ozonolysis, compound having carbon-carbon double bond should be one carbon double bond is there. Right. So count here. How many carbons are there? Count total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this is in the branching, this part and this part. Right. So total -2 कर दो तो टोटल की 7 में से 2 तो 5 कंपाउंड जो है वो साइक्लिक का होगा राइट. तो साइक्लिक कंपाउंड बनाना है तुम्हें ऐसे 5 कंपाउंड का. दिस इज साइक्लोपेंटीन एंड एज आई हैव टोल्ड दैट one double bond is there. Alkene should be there. So I have written here double bond, right? And branching you can count here. So here CH3 is there and here. So when it react with O3. So how it will be happening? I will explain it. So this O will be inserted in this carbon and one O will be there. So it will look like COC. Here one O, here one O. Here CH3. This is your CH3. And this is your bond with the carbon. Understood? So when it does ozonolysis, so one oxygen atom is inserted between these two carbon and one will be adjacent to it. So adjacent to this one and this one. So what will happen now? When we put here zinc and water. So I will write here zinc and water. Zinc and water. So breaking of this bond will be happening. This will be removed. So your structure will look like this. I will write here only this one. So this will be C. This is your CH3. Now this will make double bond O. Double. This is your CH3. This is C double bond O. And one H will be there. Right. When you expand this one, this compound, it will be exactly same. So you can count from here. Here now. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is your carbon also. 3, this is your 4, 5, 6, and this is your 7. So total 7 carbon is there, right? So this is called ozonolysis. So you have to just learn this part. This part is important. How to insert 3 atom of oxygen with the double bond. This is very important. And how it is breaking. So breaking happening like this. This oxygen you have to remove it. This is called ozonolysis. So ozonolysis is done by alkene only.